What is Framer and why every designer should learn it in 2025? Hey friends, if you are a designer or planning to become one, this tool I am about to show you can totally change how you build the websites and portfolios. It's called Framer and in 2025 it's blowing up. Today I will explain what Framer is, why it is so popular, and how it can help you build stunning websites without writing a single code. Let's get started. Hi, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. So first we can start. So what exactly is Framer? Think of Framer like this. It's a design tool plus website builder plus animation tool, all in one. So you can design a full website, make it interactive and publish it live without asking for a developer. So earlier you have to design in Figma, export it, hand it to a developer, wait for a weeks. And then you have to fix the bugs also. With Framer, you just design and launch right there and live on the web. So no handoff, no delay, super clean, super fast. So it's like the Canva of websites, but with much more power and flexibility. So let's take some real world examples. 1. Portfolio website. Say you are a UI UX designer, you have done somewhere around 3 case studies, but you don't know how to build a website to show your work. With the Framer, you pick a template, drag and drop the sections, add animations, and boom. It's live in a few hours. So no code, no need to learn WordPress or hire anyone. 2. Client landing page. Maybe you do freelancing on the side hustle. A client wants a product landing page. So normally what you do, you have to need a one developer. But with the Framer, you can do the whole project. So you can add the sticky headers, scroll animations, working forms, everything is built in. 3. Live prototypes. Even for app designers, if you want to impress a client with a clickable website mockup, or Framer's interactivity and animations can show real interactions, not just flat images like Figma. So why is Framer trending in 2025? 1. No code is the future. So you don't need to become a full stack developer. You just need a Framer plus a good eye for a design. 2. Design plus development in one single tool. So one person can now do the job of two. So that is great if you are a solo creator or startup founder or freelancer. 3. Super fast workflow. So from idea to design to live site in one day. 4. SEO, mobile responsiveness, animations, all included. So it's not just for looks. Framer also takes care of the speed, responsiveness, even SEO tags. Now, what can you build with the Framer? So let me quickly list what you can create. So you can create a personal portfolio, product landing pages, agency websites, blogs with the CMS, LinkedIn bio websites, event or course pages, freelance projects. All of this fully responsive, interactive and hosted with just one click. So now come to the conclusion. So friends, if you are serious about growing as a designer in 2025, learning Framer is not optional, it's essential. So you can design and ship websites faster. So you can charge more for freelance work. And you stand out in the job interviews with a live portfolio. So if you want to learn Framer step by step, subscribe. So because I'll be sharing tutorials and live projects here. So hit the like button if this video helping you, or drop a comment if you have used Framer before or planning to try. So until next time, keep designing, keep building, and don't be afraid to ship live. I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.